What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I just opened this huge box and unboxed the new gas tank. So I was really excited about that. Sorry, I went ahead and did that live on Instagram just for the heck of it. So got the tank out. I've got it situated on the bike I'm about to show you, but unfortunately it's a little bit longer than the last gas tank, so I'm gonna have to redo some things and customize some things. But yeah, let's check it out. So there it is, guys, the new gas tank, 1982, vintage as hell. It has a few little nicks and dings in it, but it's alright, and I'm gonna get some emblems for it. So unfortunately the seat, as you can tell, is a little bit too close for comfort, so I'm gonna have to cut the frame and extend it enough to make up for the gas tank. But you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. I mean, this gas tank is made for this bike, legit. Alright, I've got the tank off and the seat off, so this is where I welded a little tank frame, and here's where I welded seat little frame. So I'm gonna probably take a Sawzall and just cut that weld. I'm gonna have to cut this off too and move it back this way. Better safe than sorry. I'm gonna take off this shock. I'm going to remove the battery for this one. Alright, there she goes. Well, I just realized that where the plugs were, the slugs, they've kind of formed into each other in there. So when the new slugs come for the new frame hoop, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get them in or get those out. I might have to cut it more, but this is alright for now. Okay, so now that I've removed everything that I did off the bike, I'm gonna put the tank back on it and we'll be able to sit the seat on it comfortably. Here is the tank. I'm very happy with it. It's got its nicks and scratches, but it's okay. I've got emblems coming for it too. Ooh, oh no. Oh, I just shook it up and oh no. Oh my God. There's so much dirt in here and rust. I haven't even looked inside. I knew that I would have to clean it though, so I figure I'll make a video about that or whatever. Oh, look at that, did you see that? Dirt just levitated. Oh, it's still, wow. Well, it's gonna need some cleaning, obviously. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it there for tonight because I've got some parts to order. I gotta order the new frame hoop, but I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help my channel grow a little bit maybe, and have a good one.